Hi everyone, here's two interesting trains that I caught on the Lashup. The first one I caught is CN M313, going from Trotter to Winnipeg. This train has 6 locomotives on it. The first 4 units are GEVOS, and that being 2919 with a really weird K5A gel horn. Trailing second is a newer X314. Trailing third is 3042. Trailing fourth is 3205, which has the 0 is possible sticker. Trailing fifth is an Illinois Central SD4D, and that being 6252, and it has the Operation Lifesaver logo as well. And trailing sixth is 8904, a SD70M-2. And 313 has 131 freight cars, longer than usual. And I actually saw 6252 at the same spot a few months ago when it was trailing third on M313. Now before we move on to the final train, If you enjoyed this video so far, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Now the next and final train in this video is CN X314. An X314 train going from Winnipeg to Toronto. And I saw it at the Warden FU crossing near Pine Orchard. I was in the area when it happened as well. Anyways, it was led by 5607, a rare SC70i with a really awesome K3H horn. And trailing second is a repainted BCRAIL C44-9W, and that being 4647. An X314 was mostly an intermodal train. It had 53 rail cars and 34 cars of mixed freight, making a total of 87 cars. Well, I really hope you enjoyed CN M313 and X314 that I caught. Now stay tuned to this channel because I have something special coming out sometime this week. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime though, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a really big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace out folks and have a great evening. Hey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this VFM video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya guys!